Okay, so language is our first cultural trait. By the way, this is ginger, not anything that it shouldn't be. Okay, anyway, language. So language is like how do you communicate with people? What languages do you speak? Do you speak English? Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Vietnamese? Do you speak both? Do you speak all three? So if you select, like if you only speak one language like me, you would look at the first option. So the first option before the dash or the forward slash. There we go. So for example, I only speak one language. I speak English. So I would answer this. The language I speak is, just delete that. Double click to highlight that whole thing. Again, just click the line twice, highlights the whole thing, and then you can type English. And then I would insert a picture. So if you forget how to insert a picture, super easy. All you do is in your Google your Google Slides, you click on the little image icon. You can also click insert and then image. It's the same thing. And then you choose search the web, type in English, and then you can choose any of the pictures here and drag and drop over to where the boxes for your image. The other thing is that if you speak multiple languages, so then you would, give me one moment, select the answer choice that comes second in the forward slash. So the languages, again, you just delete. The languages I speak are, so like if you speak both English and Vietnamese, the languages I speak are, and then you would write down the different languages that you speak. And if you have two languages, please include two images. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching.